Education is an ever-changing landscape, and the Unified School District of Pere is trying to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to artificial intelligence.
AI tools are accessible to everybody, so what we're trying to do is to find something that is safe and secure.
Starting next month, the Unified School District of Pere is introducing an AI tool called Brisk Teaching in the classroom. It'll be used by teachers and students in grades 7 through 12 on their computers.
They need to know what AI is, what it can do for them, and kind of the pros and cons of its use so that they are responsible users of AI.
The tool is meant to help students with writing and offer ideas, not write papers for them. It can also help them better understand concepts and research. For teachers, Brisk can improve efficiency and assist with lesson planning.
If it's a resource and a tool that our staff can use that will free up some time for them to work directly with our students, I think that's going to have a positive impact.
Brisk Teaching cost the district $18,000 for a 3-year subscription. The purpose is all part of preparing students for their post-high school careers, whether it's in college or a job, helping them get familiar with appropriate and ethical AI use.
They're going to be using AI as a tool. They're going to be using it as part of their job. And so it's important for them to be well equipped with where is it a good tool and where is it going to have limitations.
UW Greenbay Provost Kate Burns says they take a nuanced approach to AI, and it varies by course and assignment. And it's no secret artificial intelligence is controversial. That's why UWGB and other schools want to ensure students don't abuse AI with their schoolwork.
We want AI to be a partner. We want it to be a tool. AI should not be doing all of the work, right? We want students to be able to do heavy lifting on their own.
In Pere, Tony Langfellow, Fox 11 News.